And it's Ken Kraetzer for CBSIServices, talking business. We're at the Cardcon conference in Washington, D.C., just wrapping up. I have a chance to talk with one of the writers following the credit card payments industry and travel, and that is Debra Schroeder, Traveling Well for Less. Debra, good to see you. How's the conference been for you?
Awesome. This is my third year that Jason Steele has produced Cardcon. It's a fantastic event, and every year it keeps evolving.
Well, certainly, I think it's a bigger group this year, and you had a lot of writers and a lot of folks from the online segment of the credit card business, and a few brands we saw represented. It's quite a mix. Now, what were some of the points that stood out for you at the conference?
Well, I like that they had 3 different tracks this year, so if you really focus on compliance, you can sit in on the sessions there. If you were more geared toward freelancers and wanted to get the background and more data, you can sit in on those sessions. And then there were other sessions geared specifically towards vendors in the marketplace.
Absolutely, and certainly some of the points of the keynotes, Adam Levin from Cyber Scout, concerns about security, and great presentation by Winnie Sun last night, talking about reaching customers with financial advice online. And then Austin Mueller of the CFPB today with basically a positive outlook on the business. Well, anything stand out in the presentations?
Sorry. I was really impressed with Winnie's story. It was kind of like how she evolved from Hollywood page to one of the top financial female advisors. That was impressive, and it goes to show you just with hard work and dedication, you can get somewhere.
That certainly was a very impressive story that you offered. Now tell us about your publication, Traveling Well for Less. What are some of the topics that you tend to focus on for your readers?
Yeah, I believe in philosophy of travel more, spend less. I share tips and tricks on how you can travel inexpensively, but without reducing sacrifices and comfort. I'm all about value luxury travel. So staying in nice hotels, not staying on a campground, not that there's anything wrong with that, or staying in hostels.
Well, that sounds terrific, and we'll look forward to seeing some of your articles and your website. What are any particular topics you're going to be focusing on this fall?
I'm pretty excited about 3 new cards being introduced by Sally Mae. I think I don't want to share too much because I guess it's not revealed yet. So I think people will be very happy about their new products.
Very good. And tell us where we can find your articles about the travel business.
Sure. On my website, it's travelingwellforless.com. So travelingwellforless.com, or you can find me on social at travelwellforless.
Got a Twitter handle?
I do. It's travelwell, the number 4, and less.
Very good. Debra Schroeder, great to see you here at Cardcon in Washington, D.C., and hopefully we'll see you down the road.
Thanks so much. Appreciate it.
Our pleasure. This is Ken Kraetzer for CBSIServices, talking business in Washington, D.C.